Sirkal mar Kenya koro yudo sir mar omenda maromo bilion 1.7 mabiro konyo e bero sekta mar wuoth ahinya te okang' mokwongo mar gedo mar reru mawuok e chuny boma ma Nairobi nyaka Syokimau. Kaluwore gi jatend migawo mar weche tudruok e pinje ma oko Musalia Mudavadi, gedo mar reru no igeno ni biro chakore dwe mar 11 higani kendo pod gimanyo yore mag medo yudo sir. Korka kore, jatend migawo mar wuoth Davis Chirchir owacho ni gedo ma kamano biro konyo chwalo dongruok mar piny Kenya kendo biro chiwo thuolo bende ne joket mwandu e boma ma Nairobi.
Pilot phase 1 project is estimated at US dollars 3.9 billion. We have secured financing of 1.7 billion, that is about 44%, with the government's counterpart financing of 389 million US dollars, and this leaves a financing gap of 2.2 billion for the success of this phase of the prioritized projects.
The critical components of the prioritized integrated transport system to decongest the Nairobi Metropolitan comprise of the Nairobi Railway Central Station project as the key first mover project, supported by 2 BRT lines, that's line 2 and line 3, commuter lines 1 and 2, the SGR link from Syokimau, where the current SGR terminates.
Expression of interest has gone out. We are waiting for replies, which we expect to receive by the end of August. And we hope that will then allow Kenya Railways to go ahead with RFPs on the technical side, but also will allow National Treasury to issue an RFP on the finance side so that banks can start to begin offers and to start that negotiation process.